What's going on, y'all? We are here in 2026. We have made it. I got Nate Hellings here. He's going to be riding our Delta Crazy Kart, modded Crazy Kart this weekend at Extreme Zone, because at Extreme Zone we have our third round of our Ironman series with our rental carts, our SODI rental carts. It's going to be very competitive all race long, and the pit stops and all the competitive action on track will be crazy. New ground, bringing crazy karting to this community and this track. So just run us through it for a couple seconds.
Just had to order a new sprocket, got worn out. So we just had to get the belt drive on. We had to make sure that the tire hub was aligned and not wobbling too much. And we just had to make sure that everything was all evenly tensioned and that the alignment was right so you don't tear your belt apart. Because anyone that runs a belt drive knows how much of a pain in the ass it is to get those things right.
You see a lot of competition karts are known to use chain drives, but even rental karts at the track, we actually use belt drives as well. And they can be very reliable if they stick on and they're right. You're going to be getting some running. We're going to be getting some crazy shots this weekend. Absolutely thrilled to see what we got here. So today's Friday, so on a normal race weekend, I guess this would be the practice day. I guess let's get to the track. You're basically ready to go, right?
Yep, I'm ready to go, finally.
Just got to lock tight it up and hit the Extreme Zone. We've made it. Top of the morning.
That's top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
Wow, that is a blast. It's like a little bit of carpal tunnel in my left hand there, but you know, because that small steering wheel, but unbelievable. I mean, this is the 36 volt version, but the punch it packs is unbelievable, and it's not like there's a limiter on it. You know what I mean? It's not like it's pre-equipped with a limiter like a usual electric scooter would. You know, I think it just keeps getting faster and faster. So even the 36 volt gets pretty darn quick. You know? And then obviously here's the modded one right here once again.
These are video loans to enjoy this song.
What's that intro?
shocked by your cart?
I think so.
Fuck it, go.
Dude,
Nothing we can do about it now. I was kidding.
I think I should probably at least attempt to figure out
Is
why.
is it grounded? So now it's time for the fast lap challenge. We're gonna see how this crazy cart amounts against our fastest drivers today. We got full house today, 20 drivers ready to go. They're waiting for this guy to see what he can do. Fast lap. I bombed. All right, so pretty good running so far. What do you think of the track?
It's good for crazy karting. Lots of nice turns. There's a fun straightaway to do a massive 3 and 2. You know, lots of hairpins. It's fun. I like it.
Yeah, and you know, the tandeming was super fun, and you know, and just honestly, the track just flows well with the back and the forth, and even in the straightaway in the one. I think, you know, maybe we can do some cool crazy kart events here.
Yeah, I definitely think so.
Well, we're going to be embarking into new ground, but before we do that, time for our final. got our podium here. Unbelievable day here at Extreme Zone for round 3 of our 1-hour Ironman Endurance Challenge. Brandon, wow. So last round 2 on the reverse track, you had a tough running out there.
Yep.
Today, came from the back, worked through the field, you're sitting on the podium, and then you had the guy with the fastest lap in 4th running you down.
Yep.
So it really came down to those last 2 minutes there, but you got it. How does it feel when you like to think?
Feels really good. I don't know how I did it starting from last, so I really don't know how I did it. But it feels good. I just drove my race.
Drove your race, stay out of trouble?
Stay out of trouble. Drive fast, take chances.
And get into the finish. One more round of applause for Brandon. But just like leagues over down to United Karting, you get in and you waste no time, and you were fighting up right in with the front runners all the way to the finish. How did that one feel, and who'd you like to thank?
I'd like to thank you guys for getting all the carts cleared off the track, because I know it was a bit hectic with 20 carts, but it did make the racing fun. This guy in the number 1 took off like a rocket from the start. I was actually able to get my seatbelt buckled this time, so that felt a little better. I didn't go back to 8th or 9th. So yeah, it was a good race. So thank you for putting it on.
Awesome. One more round of applause. Bigger round, come on. All right, Dom. Back on top, buddy. Really intense race in round 2. Got some good points hauled today. Hopefully helps you in the championship. How did that one feel today? Pretty hectic out there with 20 carts, right?
It was great fun. 20 carts out there made all the difference. We managed to keep our collective you-know-what together until the very, very end, and I applaud all of you for not killing each other. Thanks a lot. It was great. I mean, it was a fantastic job by you guys, and let's do more of this.
Well, that's what we're trying to do. Dom, thank you so much.